Oh yeah, hello everyone, welcome to another video. If you haven't seen the previous video, we started putting this bike back together and it's finally looking like a bike again. However, we faced a few issues. First of all, the main issue was that it doesn't want to go into the lower gears. This is a box 8-speed cassette with 8-speed derailleur. However, I was trying to use a Shimano shifter, and it looks like the pull of the shifter was not long enough. Before we continue with the bike, let me quickly visualize the problem. Here we have one Shimano and one SRAM 9-speed shifter here, but you see what I'm talking about. If you go to the lowest gear on both shifters and put this masking tape on, and now I'm gonna go to the highest gear, and you can see how much Shimano's shifter pulls the cable, which is about 2.5 centimeters through all 8 gears. And if we do the same on the SRAM, you can see it's almost double. And that was our problem with the shifting. Basically, the box shifter is much closer to the SRAM spec than Shimano, so that's why the SRAM shifter fixed the problem. Easy. Only if I knew that yesterday. The next problem is actually I don't have a seat post. So this seat post here is messed up. So I had to go to my parts bin, and actually I was planning to do a video on this later because it needs a service, but we're gonna be running a dropper seat post. Basically this is the only 30.9 millimeter seat post that I have. It needs a service, but it will do. And I think it will be a good addition to the bike. First time ever I have a dropper on my bike, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it will last a few rides. We'll see. And the bike is fully assembled, torqued down, everything's done. It looks beautiful. However, I think there is one thing we need to handle. before we say it's officially done, and it is removing these stickers. I think without them it will look much better. Let's quickly do that and we can take it outside and see it under the sunshine. I hope you like this little montage. I think the bike looks beautiful. Now I can't wait for the weather to get a little bit better so I can go and test it out. But this will probably be next year. Until then, thank you all for watching, and as always, all of you, wear at least a helmet, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!